Okay, and you can just talk?
Yeah, go for it.
Awesome. Michelle is awesome. I always thought she was. And it was very informative. It really kind of zeroed in on things I was thinking anyway. And she got me psyched up. So it was awesome.
Go ahead.
Okay, Michelle is tremendous. She gives a tremendously well thought out presentation, and the information is extremely valuable she's very professional and does a tremendous job.
I thought it was very helpful. It's great. I'm trying to, what she told me kind of is going to help me to strategize what I'm going to do in the future. So it was really great and I appreciated it.
Are you ready?
Michelle Valentine, very informative. PR was very informative. I'm on for every bit of what you use. Good job, and look forward to next meeting. Thank you.
I actually thought it was a fantastic talk. I learned a lot of stuff that I didn't already know. She's a good speaker. She gets her point across. I thought it was fantastic. Absolutely. Both times I saw it.
Hi, well, Michelle's talk tonight was very, very good. She learned quite a few things I'll be able to use as I am marketing myself. So I thank her very much for her wisdom and insight, and enjoyed coming here tonight. Thanks a lot.
You want me to tell you just talk?
Just tell us what you thought of Michelle's talk.
Okay, Michelle did a phenomenal job tonight. I think that since this is the second time I heard it, to put these points that she gave us tonight into action. That's what it's really going to take, is the action plan.